This came really with our discussions that we had last year about the reopening of the economy. There was so much doubt about it, but we had much, faith in that reopening. And what's a bellwether of the reopening? That's AMC is one example. And so when I looked at it at that time, I knew it was obviously a stock that was somewhat in distress, and it was also in the sense that you have a lot of debt in there. But I also felt like if the reopening is real and it's going to be sustained, then companies like this will become very profitable. I think this is what this is doing. Yes, it's extraordinary volatility, and it's not for the faint of heart. But at the same time, you also look at this fundamentally. The stock expresses that a company like this, post the pandemic, can become profitable. So I think it's a good investment.
Okay. There are, according to Y Charts, I think 8 analysts that cover the stock, Ben. The average price target is $5.10. The stock is over 50. I mean, I know a lot of people have strong opinions about sell-side analysts, but $5 price target, stock's at 50? Square the dots.
Yeah, that's a tough dot to square. I mean, if you I guess really follow it, that according to those analysts, you would be pretty concerned because you think, okay, this is way overvalued. And I think what you have to look at it is more in a broader context. And on one hand, you have here companies like this that have been severely hit by the pandemic. So as it's being shut off and then starts to reopen, that naturally comes with that major volatility. And it just drives up the stock price, in addition that you're getting, through the options market, significant amount of volume too. Then there's, of course, the company that's really trying to restructure its balance sheet, taking advantage, actually, of these volatility spikes in the stock. And that, too, actually has helped the stock move higher. So there is, in that sense, I think, versus the analyst, a bit of a disconnect here from what the company is doing and what the stock is saying about the reopening of the economy. And I think this is where I'm coming from. More broadly, macro speaking, I think this is about the reopening play. And I think the analysts may be too bearish for that matter.
Well, maybe the market's too bad. I think the last time I looked, the corporate bonds are trading at 85 cents on the dollar. I mean, not terrible, but 85 cents and not $1. I mean, the bond market seems to be telling kind of a different story on AMC.
Yeah, this is an interesting angle here, Brian, because if you look at the bond market, I guess it's trading at 85 cents. It's still pretty high yielding bonds, but it was much higher yielding back in December when the stock was indeed at $5. And here, too, the company has made it clear that they want to use any proceeds from the stock sales to support the balance sheet by bringing down the debt. And that is the reason why the stock prices, the bond price has been going up. It's interesting to note, too, that as the bond price goes up, that also the open interest on put options is going up on the stock. But that has much to do with the dilution risk that you do take a bit as an equity holder, right? Okay. If they do sell more stock, you get a bit dilution, right? But the bonds improving, that's a good sign for the balance sheet. If they can continue the strategy, the balance sheet will be having a lot less debt, more balanced. To me, that's a better outlook. If you think about this particular company, think about the economy.
Yeah, very quickly, Ben. And I'm sorry to jump in, but you wrote about $100 oil the other day. I love your notes, by the way. Just really smart stuff and a must read for me. You think we're going to get $100 oil?
Yeah, that's a good question, Brian. I know there's a lot of dynamics going on, right? And so on the one hand, you have this really tight oil market because currently the production of the drawdown on the inventories is very large, and the production hasn't picked up, just not as much. And we have huge demand out there because we're just not only U.S. has been reopening, but think about what's happening in Europe, how that is going to play out. So there's been a good bull run here for the crude market. And will you hit that historic mark? We'll see, right? It definitely has more potential for upside. That I think from here that's the case.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.